Storm Team 5's Mike Wonkum joining us now, and you were watching this very closely along the coast, but today you got a different vantage point. You got up in the sky.
Yeah, you know, you go in the air and you really do get a different perspective of what things look like. It's unique when you fly along our coastline, especially after a blizzard. And we start our tour tonight in Scituate.
Impressive.
In coastal communities, they're not necessarily shoveling snow. They're shoveling rocks and sand. The ocean has thrown this all over the seawalls, and it now covers roadways. It's going to take some heavy equipment and some time before these roads will be open again. There's a lot of work to be done. Rocks and sand all have to be moved out of the way, mixed with salt water and snow. As the waves are pounding into the seawall, that spray was then hitting these houses. And remember how cold it is? These houses were down into the teens, and so that spray just froze. All of these homes starting to look more like ice castles. The damage I'm looking at is a lot like the February blizzard we had 2 years ago. Not historic in proportions, but certainly shows you the power of the ocean. I want you to look at what's left of the seawall here in Marshfield. It's just literally been taken away by the ocean. Homes on either side of it, but how long they'll last, who knows? This is a problem that we have across the entire state. These seawalls, many of them are quite old. They're crumbling, not just from the outside, but from the inside, because they were built with beach sand and old concrete and a lot of salt over the years. This is mine at light. Now, you can tell how big the waves were during the storm because this tower is 87 feet high. And as the waves smashed into the tower during the nor'easter, the ice froze on those granite walls. In some places, it's nearly a foot thick. The ocean's been trying to cut through Cape Cod for 1,000 years. Beach erosion, it's common all up and along the Cape Cod National Seashore. Here in Truro on Ballston Beach, you can see what's happened. The Atlantic making another attempt to cut through to Cape Cod Bay. Technically, if that ever happens, the outer Cape would become an island.
Now, when you go to the beach this summer, I want you to remember this storm we just went through. I promise you we'll notice some changes. Our coastline is dynamic. It is always changing. Ed and Heather?